Hello everyone, my name is Adri Khan. I'm here to help you make complete LinkedIn links by your TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, Facebook bio. So what is LinkedIn links? LinkedIn is one links per multiple links. And look at this. This is an influencer who provide many videos. So if any customer want to buy this product, so they cannot directly buy this product from this video. They are coming in here links, three links, and they click this link, three links. When they click this link, three links, they are coming in this store who create and link three links. Remember, this is the way we can create a dislike link, three links per your TikTok bio. So look at this is my personal link, three links I create for practices. So when look at this, I share my link three links in my WhatsApp account. So if I provide this link three links in TikTok bio, so if any customer click this my link, so they are directly coming in my LinkedIn links. So look at this. This is my own Linktree. When I provide from practices, I add this product from Amazon. So every product I add from Amazon. So I am also create this like Linktree links by you on TikTok bio. Thank you very much.